Hello everyone, my name is Brian Tschosik and I'm an associate in the tax group at Evershed Sutherland.
And I'm Carol Tello, a partner in the tax group at Evershed Sutherland.
Today we'll be discussing IFA, or the International Fiscal Association. Carol here currently serves as the president of the US branch of IFA. She's the first female president of the IFA branch of the United States in its history of over 60 years. So Carol, for those of us who may not be familiar, could you tell us a little bit about IFA?
IFA is a worldwide organization, and it was founded in the late 30s by some Dutch law professors and some Americans, and it has persisted to date. The USA branch is one of the larger member branches with slightly over 1,000 members. The branch is divided into regions so that wherever you live in the United States, hopefully there's a region that has individual meetings particular to what's of interest to the members in that particular region. The international organization has an annual conference that's hosted by a member branch. This year it will be in Cancun, obviously hosted by the Mexican branch, and next year it will be in Berlin, hosted by the German branch. These congresses are very high-level meetings where there are panels focused on fiscal policy and looks at how different countries treat different issues in tax law. The annual meeting also closely coordinates with OECD and has been for several years. Worldwide, the IFA has about 10,000 members, so it is a very large organization.
How can someone become involved in IFA?
Well, hopefully it's fairly simple and straightforward. You join and you go to meetings in your region, and if you're in a region that some of the regions are more active than others, and one way we have dealt with that is we have initiated the DC Luncheon Series, which occurs every month or so, not quite every month, but that's the goal. And we invite a government speaker to come and talk to us about some important topic that is timely. And you've been to some, yes.
I've personally been to a couple, and they're great experiences. They include government panelists, private panelists, all discussing very interesting nuances of proposed regulations, at least the ones I've been in, that Treasury had issued.
That's right.
They're also a great opportunity to meet other members of IFA.
That's right, and always an opportunity to network and hear what other problems people are encountering with a particular regulation or policy. And at one of these, just before the TCJA was passed, we had someone from the Hill from the Senate Finance come and speak. And that was a very well-attended meeting, as you can understand. It was a simultaneous in-person and webinar.
So could you tell us a little bit about the Women in IFA Network and also the Young IFA Network?
Yes, these are two fairly new organizations within the organization. The Young IFA Network is geared toward professionals people new in the profession. We say under 40. It's not a hard and fast rule, but and that organization provides leadership opportunities for younger lawyers, and also presentation opportunities, because they do run their own webinar series. So again, another opportunity to network, to be a leader, and to present. The Women in IFA is a little different. It's much newer. It's again an opportunity for women to network. It has some social aspects to it as well, and it so far is not putting on conferences, but the Women in IFA has been enthusiastically embraced and now has special programs at the international congresses.
Well, thank you, everyone. For more information on this and other topics, please visit our website at eversheds-sutherland.com.